How's everybody doing today? This is Pete here at Spawn Fly Fish, and today we're going to take a look at the new dubbing twister from Smhaen, and I hope I'm doing that justice with the name. Probably not, but anyway, super cool little dubbing twister. As you can see, it's got this little hook right here, so it's going to act like a hackle plier. And let's get into it and just see what this little guy can do. So as you can see in the vise, we've just got a hook here ready to go. We're just going to get some thread started, and this is just to showcase the new dubbing tool, so don't get too hung up on the thread or hook or any of that. It's just for an example. And okay, so let's say this is where I want to start my loop, and I'm going to come down, and if I'm doing like a short loop here, I can just grab the thread and come right back up to the hook shank and secure where this loop is going to be with a couple turns around the thread, and then back up. And I can show you now how to feed this beast. I'll finish this thread real quick just so we don't have to see any shadow, if that's all right. Okay. So now, like any dubbing twister, you want to make sure that loop is open on your thread. So go ahead and take the tool out, get it all the way open to the top where it meets the shank. And if you wanted to, at this point, you could just simply toss the tool back in, throw some material in there, and spin her up and go. But this is a really cool function now with the hackle plier part. I've got both pieces of thread that make up the loop. I'm going to grab them both in the plier, come down, and make sure that this loop slips just over. And once I've got that there, now when I open this loop with the pliers, you see it's not going anywhere, and it will let itself close and be opened once again. Why is this important? Well, I'll show you. So let's say I just feed a little dubbing in here, and I go, man, you know, there's a lot of open space left in this loop, and now I wish I had more dubbing. In a traditional loop, if you open this again, it's going to be just a nightmare. Your dubbing is going to fall out, all of your other materials will fall out. But if you just simply lift and open that plier again, you can go back, grab a little bit more material, open that loop back up, and slick it right in. And now I've got dubbing from top to bottom in my loop. I'm just going to turn this so I don't catch that hook point, and just spin her up. One more, and I mean that's exactly what you're looking for in a dubbing twister. You know, of course you could have this brushed out at this point, but as far as ease of tool, not needing another tool to go along with it, this is the coolest part of this, is you're just going to wrap it forward right on, and you don't have to let anything go. You don't have to worry about you know, needing 3 hands to tie a loop or any of that, and brush it out, good to go. And cool little product. I think this is something everybody should have in their arsenal. Small, it doesn't take up a lot of room, absolutely does the job it says it's going to do, and then some. I think this is a really cool product. So thanks for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this, please remember to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.